Am I live? I think so. Okay, like some kids are making a ruckus upstairs and downstairs. So I'm sorry, but anyway, what's up? I think a bunch of you were not there last week, and from the looks of it, you're not here today as well. But anyway, let's just start the server and let's see where we are at and what can we do. Okay, nothing that we can do. The last thing that we did was edit a way to update the app configuration, added ERB support for Webpacker, and I think I got stuck somewhere and there's no concurrent viewers, which is fine. Okay, so last time, where were we? Right, so if I sign in at this point, I think it's SH 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep, if I sign in, I get this admin area, I get the articles area, and I get the sign out button. If I go to the admin area, I get the one configuration available there, which is title, which I can edit and just change it to, let's say, show width, and the value changes over here and here as the title of the application. Next thing I think that we can customize over here a bit. Sorry for the ruckus, but okay, in the admin area I don't think I can customize anything. Yep, I don't think I can. So today let's integrate, let's actually get a way to mark a subscriber as either a paid subscriber or an unpaid subscriber, non-paid, free, whatever you want to call it. And sorry about the ruckus. So how we're going to do for that, how we're going to do that is basically we will have we have the subscriber model, right? So if I open subscriber.rb, we have their email. What else do we have? We have verified, we have unsubscribed. We should have one transactions, that whatever transactions that they've done, and what are their current subscription status. So for subscription status anyway, whatever it is, right? So for subscription status I'll just open our webcam settings before quickly to make sure that everything's fine. But yeah, for the subscription status, thank you. So for subscription status, we will have whether the user is subscribed or a free, like free or paid. Basically two ways we can have. Later on what we'll do is we'll probably have tired subscriptions, wherein you can have one pro, light, free, professional, power, plus, one, whatever, right? All the subscription names that you can think of. Later on we can generate, but for now let's just have a very simple whether the subscriber is a paid subscriber or an unpaid subscriber. Instead of that, what I think we should first do is create like a scheme, a subscription scheme, where a subscription scheme is basically an object, basically a table where you're storing all the schemes, whether you have a monthly scheme, you have an annual scheme, or you have a pro plus whatever. Okay, so to start off, the subscriptions scheme, right? So for subscription scheme, what we'll do is we'll first generate a model called subscription scheme. Okay, now in this model, what things do we want to store? We want to store stuff like free trial, maybe I don't think there's free trial in Substack. Is it? Is it there? Is that present over there? I don't think it is. I have limited amount of water today. Water for Shobit. Okay. Yeah, subscription scheme. So a couple of things that we can add over here will be recurrence is one thing, whether it's monthly or annual. That's all that we're going to support right now. So recurrence will be as enum, I suppose, with a string type, sorry. And after recurrence we can have a subscription name as well, I guess. So actually no, let's just have a subscription plan, right? Which can have a name, which can have what things do we have in a subscription plan? Okay, we can have currency, we can have base currency actually, then we can have monthly rate, which will be decimal, and then annual rate, which will again be decimal. What else? Users to sub to newsletter, which are free, right? So I don't think they have any free trial. Yes, Shreyas, I agree. So Shreyas says that Substack allows users to subscribe to newsletters which are free, right? So I don't think they have any free trial, which I completely agree. So that's why we are not working on free trial for now. We will just have one post going out either to free users or to paid subscribers, sorry, free subscribers or paid subscribers. So we have annual rate, we have monthly rate, we have base currency, we have the name. What else do we need? Is there anything else that we will need for this? I think we won't. Just let me think though, one more time. I guess not. So these are the things that we need, at least in the beginning. Then we can add more stuff later. But yeah. Okay. Now that we have these things, let's migrate the database. Great. Now we have subscription plans. Now in the admin area, the admin controller, right? We should have at subscription plans is equal to subscription plan.all. All right. And if I go to admin index, these are the configurations. Then we have another h1 which will be for subscription plans. And I'll just copy it. What else did I add? Name. I added base currency, monthly rate, and then we'll have annual rate. Okay, and now we'll go to T-body, and in T-body we'll have subscription plans. Yeah, Actually, if I'm already here, I can just do this. Yep. Dot each do plan %tr %td is equal to plan dot name %td is equal to plan dot base currency %td equals plan dot monthly rate, right? I have monthly rate, yes. And then again %td equals plan dot annual rate, and then %td equals nothing. And now if you go to the admin area, you can see that we have subscription plans over here, but they're like there's nothing present over there, right? So first thing that I feel like we need to do is reduce that h1 to h2, and I can have one h1 saying admin and then one hr tag just to make it look nice. Yep. And actually this h2 can be h3 as well, which is fine. Looks good, looks decent, very okay, very okay. Okay, so now we open console and then we do subscription plan. Yeah. Subscription plan dot new sp is equal to this, and sp dot name is equal to first plan. Actually, I'll just call it prop. What's up, prop? And then the base currency, because we are in India, INR, sp dot monthly rate. Let's say we are selling it for $100 a month, and sp dot annual rate is, let's say, $1,000 a year, right? And then sp everything did we cover? Yep. Sp dot save, and we have the plan over here. Great. Then because they are numbers, we should do that. शाम सवेरे तेरी यादें आती हैं, यादें मेरे यूं तड़पाती हैं, ओ सनम मोहब्बत की कसम. Yeah, this looks better. Great. Someone hates UI OP. Yeah, I hate UI, but क्या करूं? I'll have a link to which will be, let's say, edit, and then it's not going anywhere for now, but should I actually have this text? Weird, but this can be text right as well, actually, right? Okay, I'm I don't know what I'm doing, but anyway, this is what it looks like. Great. And now what I need to do is basically create plans controller, subscription plans controller. I'll go to Rails, generate controller, subscription plans controller, and great. Now we have subscription plans controller, and I'll just remove the style sheet. for subscribers as well apparently. समझे ज़माना के दिल है खिलौना यार. Subscription, okay, I made a mistake. Yeah, I forgot to write I, so this will be this delete controller, and then we'll create again and ignore assets. Ignore assets, is that correct? Okay, I've destroyed again, but I need to generate now. Typo OP, yeah. So Shilpi is asking, why are there subscription plans and all? So the basic premise of Substack is you can write a newsletter and monetize it. So that is how Substack sort of sells itself, in the sense that if I want to subscribe to whatever newsletter you have, I just go to Substack and enter my card details and whatnot, and I'm subscribed. And now you as a publisher can send emails or whatever that you're sending, newsletter, basically some content, only to people who have subscribed, and that sort of makes things easier. So that is why we are working on subscription plans, so that let's say you can have different subscription plans for different stuff. Okay, OP. Okay, so now I'll go to routes, and here I need to add resources again, which will be subscription plans only create, update, edit. I don't think I need to do something, just this thing is fine. And then subscription plan controller. Now we create a create method. Sorry, I think I should create update and edit method first. So for edit, what we're going to do is first we go and get the before authenticate call over here, before action call, sorry, and we authenticate the user first. Okay, now that we have an authenticated user, we will just go and be like subscription plan is equal to subscription plan dot find params id. Same thing for the update, but now if subscription plan dot update and subscription plan params are fine, then we redirect, basically happy redirect, else we'll be like something went wrong, right? Now we need to create subscription plan params, yeah, and now we'll be like params dot require subscription plan dot permit what name, monthly rate, actually everything, right? So I'll also need base currency over here, monthly rate, and then annual rate. Okay, everything's fine now. And now that we have all these things, I also need to go and create a view in subscription plans, and the view will be for edit.html.haml. And I think what I can do is I can go to the admins edit and just copy the shit out of it. So editing subscription plan dot name, URL is whatever. Right, now another thing that we need to do over here is we hadn't set the target for this link, so I'll be like subscription plan path, and we'll just add the plan over here. Yep, everything works. If I click on edit, if you look at bottom left side of my browser, you'll see the path, which is correct. And now that I open it, okay, it did not work because I forgot to add edit here. Now if you look at the path, it is correct. And now we can just change the name to pro1, and there's an error, or no error. No, everything worked. We did not redirect. So when it updates, we should sort of redirect to what place? Admin path. Okay, redirect to admin path with the notice subscription plan updated successfully, right? And if something goes wrong, we redirect to admin path with the alert. There was a problem updating your subscription plan, please try again. Okay, now that I reopen it and change this to pro2, it's a subscription plan update successfully. The name has changed, the currency and all, everything is same because we haven't added how to change them. But yeah, let's just not give them a way to change their currency right now, because I need to go and search for a bunch of, actually why not, like let's just do that. Rails currency selection gem, I suppose. LOL, why so bored? OP, I'm not bored, at least not a lot. Ran out of water, guys. Okay, we have this money gem. Please read the migration note before upgrading to a new major version, which is fine. I don't know. What I'll do is I'll go to gem file and add the gem money, and I'll do bundle install sleepy OP. You're sleepy, sleepy OP, sleepy OP. Okay, bundle install worked. Restart the server, come back. Yep, everything works. So we have a currency select gem, which basically helps us select a currency, I suppose. Okay. Shit, stop talking about being sleepy. Okay, Rails console. Now in the currency part, what are the currencies that we have? Do we have anything here? Methods. Okay, there are a bunch of methods. Money.currency.all, I guess. Dot size 191 currencies we got. Wow, nice. Dot first. This is the currency, and then we can have. Do we get symbol or? Yeah, we get symbol, but I want ISO something, ISO code. Okay, ISO code. Yes, this is what I want for each. So dot all dot map and colon ISO code, and we have a bunch of ISO codes. Great. So now what I can do is, instead of adding another gem which I won't need, I can go to edit HTML and then Rails select tag. Okay, now that we are in the select tag, समझे ज़माना के दिल है खिलौना. Will be like a base currency, and the base currency value we'll put here, but instead of this we'll have a select button, right? And in select we need what? Options for select. No, in select we need options like this. So let's just go ahead and instead of doing this, we need element and e.iso code. Twice, right? That's what we need. So now that we're here, when was it? Yeah, after this. Okay, did I not save? I did, but in the wrong file. What am I doing? Yeah, now I'm in the right file, and I save, and base currency, voila, works, whatever we need, right? And yep, it works. And then we can decide on whatever currency we want. Okay, and I think we can have the name here. Yes, I think this will be better. So we just need to do this. So, oops. E.name, and then a hyphen, sorry. Yep, much better, right? So now we have United States dollar, USD, Euro, EUR, British pound, GBP, AUD, CAD, GPY, and then India is fucked off nature somewhere downstream, right? And then we have monthly rate. uh, which is basically a decimal field. But how do I get the decimal field? Rails decimal field number underscore field alternative for decimal values. Yes, 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 that's what I am looking for. Step is what can help me over here. Okay, this is what I want actually. Will it work? Can I just be like 100.50 and then save it? And then it does save. Yep. Great. This thing works. Nice. So now need to do the same thing for annual rate. And with this we can save the annual rate as well, and voila, we have subscription plans ready to go. Now what will happen is once a subscriber is confirmed, we will have another table which will be subscriber subscription plans, and then over there we will create a new row with like a foreign key between both of them to just signify that this subscriber is subscribed to this plan. And we will have a lot of metadata over there, which is basically things like what? Things like when did the plan start, what is the rate that the plan will be used on, when is the next billing date, when what is, if at all there is a free trial or not, and like a bunch of other things, right? So I think I'll cover that in the next stream. I am already running late and I joined late OP in the chat. All the two of you, please put late OP. And next week onward I'll be here at 3, and next week we'll start working on creating the backend for how to actually store whether the user is a paid user or not, and hopefully we'll do some bit of UI so that user can basically start the flow to subscribe. All right, this is my time. Thank you for whoever showed up. I hope to see you next week. Bye bye.